In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix NotebookLM failed sources. If you're seeing a failed source message in NotebookLM, it usually means the system couldn't read, access, or process your file or link. Let's walk through the most common causes and quick fixes so you can get your sources loading smoothly again. Start with file size and complexity. NotebookLM handles fairly large inputs, but there are practical limits, around 200 megabytes per file or roughly 500,000 words. Massive textbooks, scanned PDFs, or documents with heavy formatting and tons of images can trip it up. If that sounds like your file, split it into smaller chunks such as chapters or sections, and remove pages or images that aren't essential. Exporting a simpler version without high-resolution graphics often helps the system parse it faster and more reliably. Next, check the website or URL you're adding. If you see errors like source unreachable or failed to fetch, the page might require a login, rely heavily on JavaScript to display content, or block automated access. Try a clean article URL without extra tracking parameters, or switch to a simpler version of the page if one exists. When in doubt, copy the text you need and paste it directly into NotebookLM as a new source so it doesn't have to crawl the website at all. If your content is restricted or locked, think password-protected PDFs, paywalled articles, or private cloud documents. NotebookLM can't access it. Make the file publicly accessible if you can, or manually copy and paste the text you're authorized to use. This avoids access checks that cause the source to fail. Sometimes the issue is just a browser or upload glitch. Refresh the page and try again. If that doesn't work, open an incognito or private window to rule out cached data. Disable extensions that might interfere, especially ad blockers, and use a supported browser like Chrome or Edge for best results. If processing takes too long, NotebookLM may time out and mark the source as failed. Give it a minute, then re-upload. A fresh attempt after a short wait often succeeds, especially if the service was briefly under heavy load. Finally, review how many sources you've added to a single notebook. Free accounts typically allow around 50 sources. Going beyond that can cause intermittent failures. Delete sources you no longer need, or create a new notebook to keep things tidy and within limits. Follow these checks in order, and most failed source issues should disappear.